me, Brandon, again, and we're out here in the cold, freezing cold barn. See, look at all of it. Yeah, the doctor said our voices are healed a little, but it's still kind of on the weird sounding side. He told me the rest. Yeah, really happened. So, we're out here right now, like Brandon just said, and there's a lot of snow. I mean, when is it going to melt away? What do you have to say about it, Matt? I don't know. It's just that I'm glad that our voices are healing better. You know? Yeah. And, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome when our voices are healed. Yeah. So, yeah, what should we do out here? I don't know. It's like, we bought this camcorder, all that. I'm gonna get down. That went smoothly. Be careful. Use caution. Any broken bones? No. Good. Let's go out into the snow wilderness. Yeah, that's gonna be a good idea. Okay. Look at the chickens! I'm gonna go see if I can catch one. Hey, chickens! Be careful. Come here, chicken, chicken, chicken. Come here. You okay? I'm doing a little bit. Are you sure that will work in this snow?